Hello my people, welcome back again. Yes, today guys I have my vegetable recipe for you guys today. So my recipe for today is vegetable, which is okra. Okay, I want to make okra soup today with ugu leaf. Okay, this is the okra. You can see it from the fridge. I just bring it out. This is the okra, and this is the ugu leaf, okay, which is punky leaf. Okay guys, and I have my goat meat, and you can see cow skin, which is pomo, okay, and goat meat. So we have ishaki, and this is abodi, okay. We have ring, yeah. We have this is goat cow tea. You can see it. So this is cow tea, then this is fresh. We have fresh, and we have our fresh pepper here, okay, fresh pepper. So we have oil, palm oil, and our mangi, and this is thyme and curry, ginger, red pepper. We have our seasoning Maggi, and we have salt here, okay. And this is our fish, okay, and I will put dry fish as well. So I will show you guys the dry fish, okay. So we're about to start right now. So let's start. First of all, we have to start with this, okay. We have to start and put the momoske inside the pot, okay guys, inside the pot. So that is it. So we have to make sure we put things that is very strong, okay. So we have to put them. So you can see, okay. Then we'll wait for a little bit, then before we put our fresh, okay guys. I will be right back. So guys, let's open it. I've put onions already, so let me put salt, okay. So that is it, and this is the thyme, curry, everything, okay, all the seasoning, okay. So I have to add my Maggi now, okay. So that is it for the Maggi, okay. So then add a little water, because I've not had any water since, so I have to add this water now, then close it, okay. So guys, we'll be right back. Let's open, yeah. So just have to put oil, okay. A little of the oil, and close. So let me put my dry fish, okay. Just have to put this dry fish, and put my, okay, this okra. I did slice it. I just wanted to go like this because it was inside the fridge, so it's met already, okay. So just have to stir it, okay. I like it like this, okay. So I have to stir it, and it will look like this, okay. Then put the blended one, okay. You can see I blended this, okay. So I blended this one, So turn them. So So guys, I just have to put my ugu now. Okay, it's okay like this. So I just have to lift my ugu, my pumpkin leaf. Okay, just have to rest it and put it inside because it was inside the fridge. So I just have to I don't need too much oil, so depends how you want it, the quantity of oil you want. Like me, I don't need much oil, so oil is not much good in my body. I don't need it to it causes a lot of excess fat. You know, oil is not much good in body, so it's okay like this. You can see this is normal. So that is it. Let me put the fish. Okay, fresh fish. Okay guys, I just need the fish like this and like this. Okay, so to be like this, so I just have to close it half. I just have to do it half. Okay, be right. So guys, that is it. I'm back to make my amala now, or pounded yam. So this soup can go for pounded yam, gari, which is eba, and you can go for pounded yam, semo. You can use amala, anything of your choice, guys. You can see it. So it goes. Anything you want to use it for, it go. So that is my recipe for today. So let me make my amala. Okay, guys.